What's up everyone? Welcome to Perfect Perception. Today we're looking at the Huawei FreeBuds SE3, Huawei's latest attempt to prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a decent pair of wireless earbuds. And honestly, they might be onto something, or they might be selling us a dream. Let's find out. Out of the box, you get the earbuds, the charging case, and a manual that I guarantee none of you will read. Don't worry, neither did I. Oh, and also no USB-C cable inside. Just so you know. The case itself is compact, lightweight, and has a satisfying magnetic click when you shut it. Design-wise, the FreeBuds SE3 go with a half-in-ear open fit, so no silicone tips shoved into your ear canal. If you've ever pulled earbuds out after a long day and thought, I need to give my ears a moment to breathe, these might actually be your answer. Your ears will thank you. Now, open-fit earbuds are a bit of a Marmite situation. You either love them or you've never tried Marmite, and this analogy means nothing to you. Because there are no ear tips, they don't seal into your ear, which means they're incredibly comfortable for long sessions. I wore these for about 4 hours straight and forgot they were in. That's either a testament to the comfort or a comment on how boring my afternoon was. Probably both. The flip side, and there is always a flip side, is that you get basically zero passive noise isolation. If you're on a busy commute, the world is coming in whether you like it or not. These are not block out your co-workers' earbuds. Alright, the big one. How do they actually sound? For the price, and these are sitting comfortably in the budget tier, the FreeBuds SE3 hold their own extremely well. Huawei has gone with a 10mm driver, and you can tell they've put some thought into tuning here. There's a decent amount of bass, not overwhelming, not anemic. Mids are clear enough for vocals and podcasts, and treble doesn't get harsh or fatiguing. Are they going to compete with regular AirPods? Yes. I know it sounds crazy, but the regular AirPods, not the Pro, sound basically the same. And these Huawei buds cost way less. Battery life is where these actually punch above their weight. You get around 9 hours from the earbuds themselves, and with the case charging, it is up to 42 hours. That is very good. So, let's wrap this up. If you want ANC, skip these. If you want deep bass and audiophile grade sound, skip these. If you want earbuds that work with every app and ecosystem seamlessly, Huawei's software support is still limited in some regions, worth checking before you buy. But if you want a comfortable, well-built pair of everyday earbuds with decent sound, great battery life, and a price tag that won't make your bank account file a complaint, these are genuinely worth your attention. Alright, that's the FreeBuds SE3. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you team open fit, or do you need that seal? I'm curious. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one.